guys, it's Cutout Build Across, and I have another gnome for you guys today. So I will be painting him. And to me, he kind of looks like a sleepy gnome. So I went in with the color Muscadine Wine, which I never use for you guys, and painted the hat. Savannah Mist for the beard, Blueberry for the outfit, Putty for the nose, and I also used that Muscadine Wine on the shoes. And once I'm done base coating everything, I'm just going to let it all dry completely. And then I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker. And I'm going to outline everything. And again, that's what I'm doing here. This Sharpie marker makes this so easy. And then I'm going to go in and highlight everything with the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's Whitest White, and a number 4 round. I kind of hug the curves and follow the way my product kind of curves to keep my lines kind of making sense. And after that, I will be done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.